He's a right kid, ayy. Life is too short, I'ma live it to the fullest. Ayy, don't get me wrong, niggas don't think I'ma do it. I'm gon' prove you wrong, I'll be shining like a star. I'll make my family proud, they gon' see me when I rise. I'll be chasing my dreams, don't get to sleep just to get them. I'll be running in the streets, that's how you make a living. I've been in the trenches for so long, I'm tryna make it up. Let me tell you about the story of my life. I was living in a shack and my father was a hustler. Kade panda skaze salala snendlala. Now we elevate, hope he sees me growing up. Bangitshela itori eningi ngawe ngoba vela awusekho. Awazi ukuyikhulumela but I understand ukuthi vele uyindoda and you're not so perfect. Nami amaphutha ngisazowenza and I have to man up cause that's what men do. I always wanted to say it, baba ngiyakhumbula impilo ayikaze yabalula. Ngisanethemba ukuthi uzobuya, bangishiya ngisasemncane kulo mhlaba manje zabuya. You never had a chance to teach me how to be a man, but ukuhamba ukubona manje sengiyabona ukuthi kunzima ukuyimela ngoba kumele uqine idolo. Cela ukuvala ngokuthi it's hard to be a man. Sisimela noma silimele, vele life is sad.